Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different. It is a foot video. Well, a foot video. It is a toe construction video. I don't really do a lot of feet, and I certainly have never done it on my channel. So when my client was wanted them done again, I thought, why not record? Just try and get some different content on here and give me that little bit of flair for kind of getting back into the swing of recording videos and clients. So obviously everything is all clean and sanitized, and I'm going in and prepping her toenails. So you just saw me there using a cuticle tool to push back the cuticles, and now I'm using the skiver bit to go around and push up the cuticle. So I'm just cleaning up all of the cuticles, going nice and thorough. And as you can see, her toenail dips down in the corners, and she just wants me to rebuild that up to make it quite square. They always kind of grow that way for her. So we always just use polygel to reconstruct those toenails and make them nice and even, so she feels more confident wearing some sandals, especially when the weather has been lovely here. So I'm just going to carry on doing this, all the toenails, really cleaning up those cuticles. It's so actually quite therapeutic doing this. Then I come in and do the same thing on the other foot. I don't know if I thought I'd not recorded that side. Maybe that's why I did this side as well. But I'm just doing the same thing again. As you can see, using that cuticle tool to get right into those sides, get all of that dead skin from off that nail plate. And the thing I've got underneath is like a little dust collector. It's not really great, to be honest. It's not a sucker. It just kind of catches the dust a little bit more than it just all landing on me. And then I'm coming in with the sandband. This is on a speed 3, and I just gently tickle over that surface. And again, you can use this to push back the skin because it's so gentle. I'm just getting rid of the shine off the natural toenail, and that extractor was just in my way. And I do want to say, quite a few times in this video you do see my hair get in the way, which is pretty annoying, but please be kind because this is my first time recording this video, and I'm obviously sat on the floor and my client has her foot on a stool, and so I was leaning forward to kind of see what I was doing. So please just bear with me on that. If you do like these sort of videos, then I may record more. Just let me know if you like seeing them, whether they don't interest you at all. Just let me know either way, and you know, we can work out whether I do record or don't record again. So after that, I'm coming in with the ball bit, and I'm just going to go again and push back that skin furthermore and try and remove it. Like the hangnails, I don't like really going in with nippers and stuff around the toes, but I will come in with some cuticle scissors and cut away some of that dead skin. And there's the hair in the way again. Haven't seen this for a while, have we? My hair used to get in the way all the time. And I'm using this little brush as well. All of my clients have their own brush, their own file, their own everything in a little pouch, which I did before COVID. I do that anyway. But obviously on the toe, so on her feet, when I'm using it on her feet, I just chuck them away and then I use a fresh one the next time she comes. So again, just going in with that ball bit and really cleaning up those cuticles. So now I'm going to go in with those cuticle scissors, and they are from Katie Barnes' range. These are absolutely phenomenal. They are so much less scary than nippers. They're not, you know, they're not big and chunky. They curve round. They are absolutely just perfect for nipping away those cuticles. I've been really enjoying using these. When I first got them, I was a little bit like, oh, I didn't really know how to use them. Didn't really know, you know, how to get in there, if you know what I mean, when you get something new. But now I absolutely love them. So after that, I've scrubbed and cleaned away all the dust again, and I'm coming in with Model 1's base coat because I'm going to use their polygel. So I'm just going to use it on the big toenail for now, cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go in and apply our polygel. So now we're going to go ahead after that's cured and take a bead of polygel. I'm using the Model 1, the same Model 1 kit that I have. And I'm literally just using the small bead to blend into the toenail and build up the free edge. I'm not using a nail form because it won't stick, it won't adhere to the skin, so you can just kind of peel the skin away from that polygel when it's cured. So I'm just blending it nicely in, and then we're going to reconstruct the free edge. So I'll let you watch and then I'll come back when I need to. So I've cured that for 60 seconds, removed the inhibition layer, and now we're just going to file that. So blend it all out nicely, thin it off the edge. You don't want a big thick stump on the end of that toenail. Just smooth it all out so it's all nice and even. So we can go in with our gel polish on top and it looks nice and clean and flawless. I think I come in with a drill bit as well. I think I'm using my cone bit. And just go around that cuticle area. I tried to bend it, like a bend the fingers, and then thought, no, that's definitely not going to bend. And then, yeah, we're just coming in now with the cone bit. I don't know if I'm still in the way. Or I think my head was in the whole way, so I didn't show me using the cone bit, maybe. So yeah, we're just cleaning away. Again, obviously you want them all nice and clean. And then I'm going to base coat the nails again so we can go in with gel polish. So I went ahead and put it on the polygel even though I didn't need to. You don't have to put base coat on the polygel. Because I was doing all the nails, I did. And then after this, I realised that I didn't put the toe separators on, and her fourth toe actually curls inwards. So I went off film and put them on. These toe separators are from B&M.
Follow me.
There's the hair in the way again. We'll just base coat, then we're going to cure for 30 seconds. And my client chose a colour from the gel bottle, and I can't remember the name of it. I'm really, really sorry. It's just a nice, cute pink. But we're going to add that onto the toenails, and I use 2 coats of this. And then we'll top coat the nails, and I have left a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. They're always really cute. The toes look really cute. And once you do that cuticle work nice on the toes, it's really therapeutic, and you can get your application super close to the skin. And the toenails last forever. You know, they would survive a nuclear war. But I absolutely loved them. I enjoyed doing them, and I hope you've enjoyed watching them. If you have, let me know. If you haven't, let me know. And I'll see you all again in my next video, which will be up in 2 days' time. I love you all, and I'll see you all again soon.
Bye.
Bye.